Everyone tells you to eat healthy, but after I was dead, I realized it's actually a waste of time. A bad joke. Mathematics. Today is day 8 of my 30 days challenge talking to the camera in English. Today's goal is for me to practice some openings of videos, some hooks, and because it is a very complicated task for me, I decided to skip it yesterday. I actually wanted to do the 8th day yesterday, but unfortunately I had to work a lot and then I was tired, and for talking about hooks needs some preparation because I'm not an expert in creating stories and clips, and hooks are for me something unusual. So I had to prepare myself. I had to figure out how people are starting their videos, to check also different resources, and actually I did the only one thing today in the morning, asking Gemini for 10 kind of hooks that I can use so that I can practice some of them right now here. Also, I'm doing it very early in the morning because yesterday I figured out that if I do it after I was working all of the time, the entire day, I probably will be too tired, and then I'm going to tell myself, well, I talked enough today, I don't need to talk anymore, because there are some days where I do have a lot of meetings online, where I do talk to people very long, and I have also other days where I do not talk to anyone but my family. And yesterday was the day where I had to talk to my colleagues and to my family because I had to learn with my daughter. I had to help her in her homeworks. But actually today's goal is not talking about yesterday or why I'm doing it right now. It's exercising hooks. In my notebook I wrote the 10 hooks that Gemini gave me, which I have to exercise. My teeth are hurting still. First one is stop doing action if you want to avoid bad results. Stop eating carbs if you want to waste weight. Stop eating carbs if you want to waste weight. Stop eating carbs if you want to waste weight. These are a lot of W words. Stop eating carbs if you want to waste weight. I am not doing it. I am eating carbs. Yesterday I ate only carbs. Stop drinking wine if you want to sleep well. Stop eating carbs if you want to lose weight. Okay. The next one is everyone tells you to, popular advice, but after time period or experience, I realize it's actually a waste of time. Everyone tells you to, what could be, everyone tells you I will take just these two things with wine and carbs and getting weight and sleeping well, because I don't have that much time. I must be very quick in talking because I have to work then. Okay. What is popular advice? To eat healthy. Yeah, let's say everyone tells you to eat healthy, but after I was dead, I realized it's a waste of time. Yeah, obviously when a person is dead, then everything in the life was a waste of time. A bad joke. But I will exercise this again. Everyone tells you to eat healthy, but after I was dead, I realized that it's actually a waste of time. Everyone tells you to write your homeworks, but after I finished school, I realized it's actually not a waste of time. The next one, I turned this before state into this in just short time frame. Here's exactly how I did it. I turned this into this in just 5 minutes. Here's exactly how I did it. Doesn't make any sense, but I turned this into this in just 5 minutes. Here's exactly how I did it. I found the one secret to a goal hidden in the most unlikely place, weird location. I found the one secret to talking in a foreign language in the most unlikely place, my home. I found the secret to talking in front of the camera in English hidden in the most unlikely place, my home. The next one is used very often, even I used it in old YouTube videos that I created, which I actually read from a teleprompter. I do have a teleprompter over there. I found that using a teleprompter is also a nice exercise because you're reading the script, but it is not helping for leading a conversation then later, for doing small talk. You can learn a couple of words if you read it from a teleprompter a couple of times, because it was not also like from scratch for me. I have some kind of like very light dyslexia, so I need to read it a couple of times so that I can remember where the words, which word is which. Reading it a couple of times, then some of the words are still in the brain, so you learn them. If you are target audience and you're tired of specific pain point, listen up. Well, actually what I used is, if you're like me, a mother of 2 children, and you are, I don't know, something. This was my hook back then. Anyways, but here we are searching for, if you're a target audience and you are tired of specific pain point, listen up. If you are like me, a mother of twins, and you are tired of cooking twice a day, every day, then listen up. Yeah, I would like to hear your advices. What can I do that this hook really means something? Because I didn't found the solution of not cooking twice a day. And you can see that I'm talking most of the time about cooking and eating and drinking, and because this is these are the things that I'm mostly thinking of all of the time, every day. Because if you must cook twice a day, every day, it is very exhausting. This is the only one thing that you're thinking of, because it must be done every couple of hours, and it's not only cooking, but you must buy the groceries and then prepare them, and then clean up and everything. I'm sure that most of the mothers out there, if you're a mother and you must cook twice a day, please help me. Tell me how can I avoid this? What can I do to make it easier for me? At least not thinking that much about cooking. And yeah, probably the solution is cook once, but big portions, a lot of portions, and then freeze them up, meal prep or something. But it's not working with my children, unfortunately. Yeah. Okay, but back to the exercise. If you're a target audience and you're tired of specific pain, if you are a working father and you're tired of your wife, listen up. It doesn't make any sense, but anyways. I mean, most of the working fathers are probably tired of their wives. Like, mothers are tired of their husbands, for sure. At least, yeah. I know a couple of them. If you are a gamer and you're tired of paying for games, listen up. If you're looking for a solution of your problem with cooking every day, twice a day, and you're tired of buying groceries and preparing meals, listen up. If you are a working mom and you're tired of washing your car, listen up. If you are mother of twins and you're tired of wasting your time with your children, listen up. If you're a bottle and you're tired of being filled out with water, listen up. If you're a window and you're tired of being open and closed all of the time, listen up. If you're a bird and you're tired of flying, listen up. If you are a grass and you're tired of growing up in the summer, listen up. All of this doesn't make any sense, but I'm trying to exercise the hook. Probably is not allowed. Probably is not allowed. The word probably is not allowed. I will finish the 8th day of my challenge, 30 days, talking to the camera in English now, because I must work. Yeah.